You wouldn't think so by looking at this, but if you think this is the low currently in charge, this one's waiting to be, but we're in the bit in between this weekend, it's heading slowly our way, you might think, well, that means less wind, a bit more sunshine, a bit more warmth. You would be right on all counts, but there is always detailed difference. For example, at the moment, there are still big showers around. The wind is still noticeable, but dying. And these blue blobs here through southern counties have been thundery in the past. They're not now, but they might just pep up again in the morning. However, most places are looking dry and not particularly cold, so a promising looking start for Saturday. If you zoom into this bottom right-hand corner, that's where the residual big showers will be at 9. I've gone to 9, not 8. It's Saturday, have a bit of a lie-in. Run through the channel and you pick up a shower or two, but these are light over the Channel Isles and over the southwest English peninsula. The temperature's around about the 13 to 15 mark, good start. The wind is more or less a westerly, 13 miles an hour. Again, less than now and less than the last 2 days. All going in the right direction, I think you'll agree so far. But there's quite a lot of cloud now we're going through Wales to Northern Ireland. Rather more overcast than bright, I think you'd agree. And outbreaks of rain seem quite likely at this time in the morning, certainly on the western side of Scotland. A bit of sunshine in the breaks in the east, it's still quite breezy here. And there's potential for showers to build in northern England. It's already showing itself. I think it'll be a bit more obvious in the afternoon. So that's 9 o'clock on Saturday morning, tomorrow morning. As the day progresses, these showers will go. This lot will turn into distinct little showery pockets. Northern England, maybe it's Scotland, sunshine in between. And it's a July sunshine, so a bit of warmth should show itself. And from about 4 o'clock onwards, well, the evening is really quite promising for virtually everyone. With temperatures to 19 to 23 degrees and not too much breeze, you should be able to enjoy it. Now, for the golfers, the wind has been quite a big problem. It is going to drop down the next 2 days. Saturday looks fine. Sunday may not be bone dry, but let's hope it's late in the day before it starts to rain. BBC 1 and 2, 5 Live, HT, all showing it. As Sunday comes upon us and the days change down here, we do have an invasion of this sector of warm air fronts and rain, but that's not quite as wet as it looks. I think probably a good part of high ground in Scotland and Northern Ireland, North West England will be wet, but otherwise the potential for warmth, just a quick burst of sunshine does exist. So to take one thing away from that weekend forecast, it won't be blue skies, but there